So let's see here. Looks like someone from the group says this. What's your method for making an offer to a seller? They just switched into San Antonio today.
Well, it depends on in the information gathering stage, in the very beginning of the conversation, like how I should make the offer. So I listen to what they need, and then I add in what the solution would be. Like, hey, so you need some moving, you need help moving, you need help finding a new place, you may need some storage, and it sounds like you may need some help on your first month's rent. So this is what we can do for you. We can do all of that, and I understand that your price was 150. I looked in the area, and the highest is 150, but that's when the house is fully fixed up. Me as an investor, I have contractors that are willing to do the work a little less, a little cheaper. So my cost would be about $35,000 to get your house where it's that 150. But I also have to cover my holding, my closing costs, and the rehab, and still make some kind of a profit out of it. So I would have to offer, if it's 35 and you're at 150, I'd have to offer less than the 35 plus the closing costs, and then it brings us down to 80,000. What we can do is we can close as soon as you need us to, or if you need to wait, just let us know. And I usually ask them in the information gathering how soon they need to close, and then we can do all of this other stuff for you, and you don't have to worry about this house ever again. What do you think? I actually don't say, what do you think? I'll just be like, are you computer literate? Or do you have email? And would you be able to sign something online? And usually I'll see what they say. Like, I don't say computer literate. I'll say, are you able to sign something online, or you have an email? And then they'll tell me if they do it, and I just assume the closing. I explain how closing is going to go, and then I go from there. Some will be like, oh no, that's too little. That's not enough. And I'll be like, okay, so what are you needing the money for? See if I can get down to it. And then if they're like, well, I wanted to pay, that's none of your business, or whatever, I'll be like, okay, fair enough. Well, I do have a realtor that I can refer you to. And have you thought about fixing up the house yourself? Because I can send you some contractors also to help you out. And I usually offer them some value anyways, and still follow up with them and continue.
Wow. I mean, that's a great pitch. You can't go wrong with that one. Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.